Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel LIS Expert. Now I am teaching you the topic information life cycle. The stages through which the information pass typically characterized as creation, collection, processing, dissemination, use, storage, disposition, to include destruction and deletion. There are three types of information life cycle: creation and acquisition of data, publication of data, retain and removal of data. Cycle means a series of events that are regularly repeated in the same order. Transfer of information from generation to its end user become possible through many processes. These processes are also regularly repeated in the same order. These processes complete a cycle is called information transfer cycle. The ITC comprises generation, collection, storage, communication, and retrieval. First, information creation and generation. Information is created with the beginning of incidental and activity of human, and if an incidental does not happen, no information is created. Information is mostly created by research and development program, government activities, surveys, census of population, business and industrial organization, represented in format by author, scientist, research editor, writer, poets, novelists, dramatists over the web. Information is produced by general people irrespective of their background, is not restricted only to academics such as scholar and scientists. Information production and dissemination. It is the mass production of knowledge through which publishing company and other that will help to mass product distribution of knowledge in some physical and electronic form. Previously, the information had been disseminated in the form of book, and many conventional and non-conventional and printed and non-printed the source of information are nowadays available in different shapes, size, types, and format. Over the web, the production is accelerated by posting the information electronically over the kind of websites. It speed up the transfer of information globally at a speed rate instead of taking month, year to get published on paper. Third point is storage, information storage, organization, retrieval, and communication. Storage is a process by which the information described and represented in the document are storage. Information is collected and storage by libraries, documentation center, information analysis center, data bank, data center. Computer has been accepted as a boom of storage of information. It can be stored a huge amount of information in the form of databases inside the computer. Disk CD-ROMs are the newly developed and very significant tool of storing information. Organization is how that representation of knowledge is found among the other kind of its kind. In the library environment, classification, cataloging, shelf list, and various kinds of guides facilitate the retrieval functions. All these tools are equipped with control vocabulary. In the computer environment, organization is facilitated by databases, search engine. Knowledge is individual and the user determines its usefulness. So why keyword and natural language searching in computer environment is more attractive. Retrieval is a process of getting information from collection of the library for providing answer to the query of the user. Communication is a process of transfer of information from one place to another, the creation of information to its user. It is a necessary for the best use of the same. It is a process of social exchange and the library environment. Communication of information can be made through telephone, CAS service, SDI service, telecommunication, email. Sometimes the publisher also brings different kinds of information sources to the notice of the user community. Information diffusion and utilization. Diffusion is a view as a more targeted flow of information to the particular segment of society. Diffusion of information should find its way to people who actually need it instead of targeting the people who will use it for their own benefit. Utilization is the adaptation and implementation of the knowledge by the users, and the information is needed each and every person. It gives new dimension of its knowledge. The knowledge when applied to other purpose, it gives birth to new information, and thus the information cycle in the continuum in natures. Fifth point, information preservation and destruction. If the different kind of library archives are trying to preserve information in different format over the web, the internet archives and cache pages of the search engine are serving some purpose in this regard. The information that is frequently accessed or has meet its assigned retention period may be considered for a relocation to an archive. Then for an archive, from an archive, it need to be weeded at the same time or other by mean of the appropriate procedure for a content. The mean of the information cycle related to that unit of knowledge from where the information generated, then it transmitted to user with the state of various process, and the whole process of information creation to it user is called the information cycle. So friends, this is the video all about the information cycle. Hope so you like my this video. If you like it, please click on bell icon and subscribe my channel too, and give your comments also. Thank you so much friends, and have a nice day.